What's up, guys? Welcome back to another fishing episode. I shouldn't say fishing, I guess we're not going fishing, but we got a package. Alright. Now remember last video, I said I was getting a new vise. This could be it. So, we're just gonna crack this baby open and we're just gonna go through the basics with it. Alright? So yeah, this is my new vise, I believe. I hope. Unless something else came. Oh yeah. So, I did not get a rotary vise just because I came to my senses and I thought, I don't need a rotary vise. Alright, I've never needed one. So, I got myself a little new friend right here. Here we go, guys. I'm so excited. Like, actually. Oh my god, it looks even better in person. Oh my god. Holy. So, it's a clamp-on to the desk. Or to your table or whatever you want to use. Oh my gosh. Oh, so let's talk about it a little bit before I open it up all the way. So, it's a Superior fly tying vise. And it's a number 1A and a 1AP, alright? Well, no, mine is a 1A. The 1AP is the pedestal. And mine is just the 1A, clamped onto the desk. Mine is that one, the 1A. Alright? So, Superior fly tying vise, alright? And then I have a C-clamp, alright? This is just the instructions. But, like I said, so I got a C-clamp, alright? And I've never worked with the C-clamps. I've only used the regular. So, I'm not sure how the C-clamp is going to actually work. But, we are going to learn. But, like I said, it came with instructions. So, we are going to learn the instructions. Alright, so the first step is to take it all out of the package. Which I've done. Put this in. Screw that shut. Alright, so we have step number 1 done. Good job, guys. Step number 1 done. Alright. Step number 2 now. Alright, put tension in rear tension. Oh. Okay. So, step 2 was to turn both the adjusting screws counterclockwise to release all of the tension on it. Alright, so now we have to adjust this back screw right here, alright? So we have the front screw, and we have to adjust the back screw back into place. Oh, wrong way. Which we have done that now. Alright. Until the jaws are cut from the width of the hook. Alright. Oh. Alright, so. Insert the hook to the proper depth. Nope. Alright, so now we have to take a hook. Which I have a hook right here. Alright, just a little hook just like that. Then readjust this. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. Oh, look at how tight that is. Like, I am putting some tension on that. Alright, so, I am not going to tie a fly with this though. Until you guys comment on what fly I should tie. Oh boy, I unscrewed the wrong cap off. So, you guys have to comment what fly to tie before. I'm not going to tie any flies. Or jigs or anything. You guys have to comment what you guys want to see me tie. before I do any of this, alright? Alright, this thing is beautiful. Like, look at that. Like, look at that. Dang it, I did that again. Alright, so I do have to learn on the cap, because I keep on unscrewing the cap. Anyway, so, this thing is actually beautiful. And, go to the comment section, and I encourage you guys to comment on what fly or jig you want to see me tie. And I will make an attempt to tie it. Alright, so, like I said again, it's a C-clamp, so it's not the original, it's just the C-clamp. And, so yeah, to tighten it, sorry for being quiet there. To tighten it, all you have to do is take the back side and spin it counterclockwise to tighten it. And then to unloosen it, you just spin it the other way and the hook comes right out. Spin it even more. And the hook comes right out. Alright, so, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted you guys to see my new vise. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next episode. Put in the comments on what you guys want me to tie first off with this. Alright, see you guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.